It's a Corvette, guys. Impala. This is a Chevrolet Impala. Real close love Impala. What's good, guys? So today I'm Dolo. I just want to go outside and just quickly make some content for me. It's a windy day outside. I don't know how much I'm gonna keep saying this, but I feel like I'm in this movie, like The Bad Boys. Like really one of my favorite movies. You feel me? Will Smith. I'm Mike Live with. And my brother is Uncle. So, what's up? What's up? Hey. Yo, what's the word? What's the word? What y'all got?
Buffalo Bills.
Bills, baby.
Bills.
All right. I'm gonna see y'all, bro.
All right, bro.
We're gonna choose where we go first, you feel me? So I don't know if I should go on that side first or this side first. So I'm gonna choose. Mickey Mouse, City Bread and Tea. What's your money in my pocket? What's your pocket in my money? Please go out. We're going this way. Yesterday, this thing was leaked out. What's up, baby? What's up, baby? What the hell's going on? There's always something going on in Miami, yo. I know she tired. Ooh, the sun is coming out. The sun is coming out. What's up, Ogee? If you know me, you know I love vintage cars, yo. This right here, oh my days. Oh my days. It's a Corvette, guys. So guys, this is a Corvette, guys. Love vintage cars. Look at a Corvette, guys. This is a Nissan, 1991. Woo! Yo, guys, nah. This a 1959 Austin Healey. This a 1988 Mercedes Benz. Woo! It's a beauty. Don't tell me that's a Ford Mustang. Hold on. Don't tell me that's a Ford Mustang. Don't tell me that's a Ford Mustang. That's a 1969 Ford Mustang, guys.
Yeah, man, you're gonna find many Mustangs on.
Yo, y'all know I love Ford Mustangs. Sure, I've never seen one of these in real life, yo. Oh my days. That's a Ford Mustang, guys. This is one of my favorite cars, bro. Nah. What? Yeah, of course. This is one of my favorite cars. I've never seen one of these in person. Like, oh my days. Joe. Wait, I gotta ask you a question. Can I put my camera on there? Look. So, what's your name? Alice, I'm Henry. So, let's get closer to the camera. This is one of my favorite cars, right? Like, literally, like, one of my favorite cars.
My dream car before I got it.
Your dream car? How much did you for it?
I got it like, this is like a project.
Oh.
I got it for, what was it? 40.
40? Yeah. You know what's crazy, right? I've been trying to get it.
Stop the cap.
But I'm like, I live in New York, right? So, whenever that topic comes up, we be like, yo, it's not. New York is not a good state to maintain cars like this. Like, wait. This is a thing of beauty. Like, can I get a picture on it? Like,
Sure,
a picture? Guys, Alice is the go. Give him your Instagram, your YouTube, where they can
The
reach you.
car's Instagram is 1969_Thunder.
1969_Thunder. All right, guys, this is like Ford Mustang, guys. Like, if you see my Twitter page, right? Literally like Ford Mustang. Like my likes, Ford Mustangs. No way, guys. I'm getting the ultimate experience right here. Yo, guys, this feels better than an orgasm, guys. No way. Nah. Nah, I'm gonna get one of these for sure. I got you. Of course. I'm gonna get one of these for sure. Alice, I'm Henry. Nice meeting you, man.
You too, man. Have a good one.
You too. I'm getting one of these for sure, guys. One of these for sure. And this is a 1925. This is a Fiat. Oh, this is a Porsche 911, right? Yes, Porsche 911 Carrera. Yeah, I want this in my collection as well. And this is I think this was in that was not in that book. 1974. How you doing?
Doing good.
Doing good. I like that. Sorry.
Wow.
Sorry, boss. Sorry. I'm sorry. Ooh, I think this Chevelle, right? Yeah, Camaro. Wait, Camaro. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna add this too. Nah, I don't want the drop top. But I'm gonna add the. Oh my days! It's a Plymouth. It's a Plymouth Duster. Yep. Added one of these. Oh, a thinner beauty. Like I said, 1969 Ford Mustang, guys. This is a thinner beauty, guys. Look at the interior. Look at the interior, guys. You can't do this in New York, guys. You can't just be recording people's cars and go into the. What is this? Unless you are naked, don't touch this car. Nah, way. No way, bro. No way. Sorry. I'm sorry. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? It's a 1966 Ford Mustang.
Yeah. Blow it.
Shush.
That's it. Steve McQueen.
Shush. Shush. Nah, guys, I came here with a different agenda, but I'm totally distracted, guys.
What the fuck?
Like, I'm distracted, like 100%. You feel me? This don't. Whoosh. California love. Dun, 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 dun. This is a 1964 Ford Galaxy, and this. Oh, yep. This is my baby right here. Stan Jacobs. Wait.
Don't tell the people.
Ready?
Let me know. Go, Miami back. I'll be back.
Yeah. Please, somebody with exotic old cars, please, vintage cars, invite me to your garage. Please, invite me to your garage. Cause this right here. Don't tell me this is a 1964 Rolls Royce. Sorry. Oh, this is actually from New York. Sheesh. Guys, y'all see the Suge Knight Rolls Royce, right? The Suge Knight Rolls Royce. I think it's a 1984 Rolls Royce. I want one of them. But this is like a vintage Rolls Royce, you feel me? Like, it has a phone in the back, and you know, a dashboard, whatever they call it. So, this is the thing of beauty. Oh, this is a Phantom. Wow. Phantom too big, can't even fit in the parking lot. By the way, guys, tomorrow, God willing, it's my birthday, so you know, show me some love in the comment section. My guy, see you again. Yo,
How was it?
yo, great. That's why I came here. You feel me? I came here to tell him that the Nashville, what was it called?
Nashville High Under Open Base.
The Nashville was. So you're gonna see us tonight. Right now, you know, working right now.
Appreciate it.
See you, bro. Yeah, guys, he had some Nashville. He had some chicken taco, some shit, but yo, it was good, guys. It was good. BMWs, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get one or two. This is a 1973 BMW 3.0 CS. Yep. CSI. Oh, this is a camp. That's a camp. Yeah, guys. I needed like an RV, you feel me? I'm saying I needed like an RV, like I could buy all these things like just like that. But yeah, guys, I would want an RV for camping, and basically like I'm gonna just make it look like my second home type stuff, you feel me? So I'll be doing that. But this all gonna come like a year or two, you feel me? If not towards the beginning of, if not towards the ending of this year. So they got some on the side, ballet, you know, and then, you know,
I don't know why.
Impala, this is a Chevrolet Impala. Workhorse love Impala. Workhorse really loves Impala. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys soon. Love you.